Stuck with an AGVV file containing audio and video data? This is a multimedia variant file from Specialized Software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play these audio-video variant files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized AGVV file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. AGVV files are audio-video variant files used by specialized multimedia applications for storing combined audio and video content with custom encoding or container variations. They contain multimedia data with proprietary encoding choices used in specific industries or applications requiring custom audio-video integration beyond standard formats. AGVV files use proprietary container formats with embedded audio and video streams using various codecs depending on the originating application. The format may include synchronized audio-video tracks, metadata about content properties, and application-specific extensions for specialized multimedia workflows beyond standard video format capabilities. Commonly, AGVV files use VLC Media Player developed by Videolan. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows supports playback for many formats, but unsupported ones require additional components. To open this specific AGVV file, right-click your file and select Open With. If VLC Media Player is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. When an AGVV file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, identifying source application. Examine the AGVV file's origin by checking the source application or system context. The audio-video nature suggests multimedia processing or playback software. Source identification is critical for proper playback since proprietary formats require specific software designed for the file's encoding and container conventions. Next, trying universal players. Test AGVV files with VLC Media Player, which supports many obscure multimedia formats. Open VLC and use Media, then open File to load the AGVV file. VLC's broad codec compatibility may successfully play the audio and video content based on standard codecs within the proprietary container, even without official support. Finally, converting with FFmpeg. Use FFmpeg to attempt conversion of AGVV files to standard formats. Run FFmpeg, I input, AGVV, output, MP4 in command line. FFmpeg's wide codec support may handle the underlying media streams within AGVV containers, producing standard MP4 files for playback in modern media players across all platforms supporting common formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at FileMagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.